guys, welcome back to another tutorial session. Today we're going to talk about a burnout. So basically there are two types of burnout. One is what we call a rolling burnout. The next one is what we call a standstill burnout. So today I'm going to show you how to do that exactly. Whatever the reason why you want to do burnout, I don't know, but it's pretty cool to me, so it's good to have those skills. Okay guys, now what I'm going to do is to take you guys through step by step how to execute a rolling burnout. Now, very important, first of all, to do burnout, you got to make sure that you have a rear wheel drive car. Pretty obvious, you can't burn out on front wheel drive, so I strongly recommend that you find the right car and make sure that you have sufficient power as well. It's very important that you all need to remember, if there's a traction control on your car, it must be switched off, okay? With the traction control on, it will be very difficult for you to do any burnouts. The first step to do is to make sure that your right foot on the throttle, you have sufficient RPM. Anything less than 4,000-5,000 RPM, you won't get enough power. So I strongly recommend that you should have at least 5,000 RPM and above. Then you dump the clutch. As soon as you dump the clutch, as quickly as possible, you switch your left foot to the brake. Also, apart from the throttle, brake modulation is crucial, okay? You need to modulate your brake pressure accordingly. Once you're on the brake, the rest is all down to your throttle. Make sure that you keep below the rev limiter. Hitting the rev limiter at all time is really not healthy for your engine as well. So keep it below 7,000 RPM, depending on your car, what sort of engine you have. Keep it below the red line. Have the brakes on, and from there on, you will eventually have a rolling burnout. On a rolling burnout, expect your car to move a couple of feet. It's all depending on how quickly you can jump from the clutch to the brake. That's the step-by-step to rolling burnout. Okay guys, first I'm going to show you, this is what we call a rolling burnout. Okay guys, well, you just saw the rolling burnout. So next is what we call a standstill burnout. Standstill burnout is easier. Again, it's just a matter of practice. So basically what you need to do is have your left foot clutch, what we call a heel and toe. I like to do it this way. My toe is on the brake and my heel is on the throttle. So that way I can easily switch over, okay? So it's a heel and toe technique. Now, have your right foot on the brake using your toe and then your heel on the throttle. Meanwhile, make sure that you get enough rev, as similar to the rolling burnout. Make sure you have sufficient rev that up to 5,000 RPM. As soon as you dump the clutch, you apply more throttle, okay? And from that point onward, it's all about controlling on your throttle. You need to have maximum brake pressure on the brake to make sure that the car is not moving. And that's how you do a standing burnout. Standing burnout is a lot easier than the rolling burnout. Rolling burnout, you need a bit more practice. So the next one is what we call a standing burnout. Check it out. See that? The car's not moving at all. That's what we call a standing burnout. Okay guys, that's all from me today. I hope you all learned something from me about how to do a burnout. I don't know what you're going to use it for, but like I said, it's going to be pretty cool to learn how to do a burnout, okay? So you stay safe out there, and remember, if you have any questions, do leave me a comment below, and remember to subscribe to my channel, and that will really help me a lot, okay? Stay safe out there, and make sure that you all take care of each other out there on the road, because public road is not for you to muck around, okay? Stay safe. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.